Did you know that your internet service provider, ISP, has access to everything you do online? Worse, they might store your traffic data or habits, which we all know is ripe for security breaches. That's where a VPN comes in handy. A VPN, or virtual private network, protects your privacy when using Wi-Fi. It hides your public IP address, allowing you to privately browse the internet without being tracked or watched. How does VPN work? Once installed on your computer or smartphone, a VPN encrypts all the traffic between you and the server, making it very difficult to hack. VPN protects you against identity theft by making you invisible to hackers, bypasses geographic restrictions on websites, when streaming entertainment on Netflix and Hulu, against unsecured Wi-Fi hotspots, hides your IP and geographical location, eliminates tracking during torrenting. With 26% of all internet users having access to VPN at least once, for your complete peace of mind and browsing security, it's best to choose a VPN service provider ASAP. Cybersecurity experts recommend the following: NordVPN, IPVanish, Private Internet Access, TunnelBear, and TorGuard. In the meantime, if you fear that your private data has already been breached, you can run a quick free scan through www.idstrong.com. Stay safe online.